How to log in Truist Online Banking. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this video. For this, launch your preferred browser and search for Truist Online Banking. Here you will see the first suggestion. Tap on it to log in into your account. Wait until you are redirected to the official webpage of Truist. Mind it will take a while. Once a page loads up, you will see the login portal in here. To log in, just enter your user ID and your password. In the case of saving your user ID, make sure that you are using your personal device. Tap on Sign In. Another method is to sign in with a QR code. For this, you'll be needing the Truist mobile app, in which you can just scan the QR code that is displayed on the PC, which refreshes every 45 seconds. With a scan, you'll be able to log in into your account. In the case of any forgotten credential, you can check out either Forgot User ID or Reset Password. If you tap on Reset Password, you'll be redirected to a new page, in where you can just recover your account, or you can even create a new password for your account. For that, enter your email address, 5-digit of your SSN, EIN or ITIN, and your user ID, then tap on Continue. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.